A Wednesday afternoon motorcycle crash in Joplin proves fatal. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now. At 12:45 Wednesday afternoon, a motorcycle traveling north on Schifferdecker struck an ice cream van. It pulled into its path at 4th and Schifferdecker. The motorcycle operator, now identified as Larry Bellamy, 53, of Joplin. He died Thursday at a Joplin hospital. Joplin Police Captain William Davis says next of kin have been notified. The major crash team investigation continues. Now a fatal crash investigation. Click the bit link for updates. This breaking news story. In Joplin, I'm Shannon Becker for KOAM News Now.